Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It is raining like a dog outside. I'm about to show you. Hold on. Look at this street. Wait, hold on. It's just flowing with water. And there goes the lightning. Gotta clean this phone screen already. So much rain. But freaking river. Oh, I'm gonna die. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna ride through the storm. Gotta wipe my screen. Ooh, that's new. So yeah, right now I'm looking at under the dome. Hold on. Well, I want to know. Guys, did you hear that? Dang, nabbit. That thing is loud. I'm gonna go back inside. You know me, I don't want to get struck. I love my life. So yeah. That thing was loud, like seriously. Sometimes when it be thunder and lightning outside, this stuff strikes like right beside this house. Like, hold on, one day, right in front of our house, like over there by the door, lightning, some lightning struck, because it was super, super, super loud. Like seriously, it sounded like it was right beside me. So I went outside after everything cleared up, and I seen this. Hold on, and I seen this hole. I seen this hole in the ground. And then another day. Oh, okay, we don't have no tree in our yard, but it was a big tree. Like seriously, like huge. Um, so then one time it was thunder and lightning outside. The thing struck. It split the tree in half. In half. And then hold on, what? It split the tree in half, and then the tree fell over, and then again another time, but this time it was in thunder and lightning. Like actually, when we would walk beside the tree, we could hear. One time I came home from school. I was in the house. I was eating me some chips, looking out the window. The blinds were down, so and also they were covered up. So then I heard this boom. When when I was like right there, well, like right here where this piece of paper is, right here. So I ran back. I said, "What is that loud noise?" But it wasn't like thunder. It didn't sound like that. It wasn't even raining. It was hot outside daytime, and I seen that the other half of the tree has fell. What fell? And we were so scared because we knew that the tree part. We thought, okay, so say this is the tree. We thought it was gonna fall this way or that way. If it would have did that, it would have hit the house. But the tree fell straight out into the middle of the road, middle of the street. So yeah, we lived. I like the show Under the Dome. No, I'm kidding. Huh? Can't see none because I gotta wipe the screen over again. So yeah, that was an update. Right now it is 1:23 p.m. and it looks like it's dark outside. Like seriously, this happened yesterday too. Hold on, you can't see nothing because of this stupid flash. It looks freaking dark outside. That happened yesterday too. I said, "Wait, home, what is happening? We still in summer and it's getting dark outside." Like outside, I was like, "Wait, hold on, we're not going through winter yet." So I was confused. Yeah, I was confused. So then I said, "Oh yes, because it's freaking raining outside, cause the clouds." So yeah, right now I'm drinking me some Powerade. This stuff is good. So yeah, bye.